Microbit Tinker Kit, a set of Microbit accessories that comes with a versatile acrylic panel brought to you by Autobotic. You can now easily connect all kinds of modules hassle-free without a group of messy breadboard wires. The panel included is durable and practical for any Microbit projects that you can think of. Well, that's all for this episode. In the next episode, we will show you some fun DIY robotic projects that you can do with Microbit Tinker Kit. So, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more robotics related content. Thank you and we'll see you in the next video.